देखिए, हम लोगों ने पूरा प्रयास किया है कि कोविड के अनुरूप बिहेवियर हो सभी लोगों का, और जहां तक संभव हो सके उतना गाइडलाइन का पालन कराया जा सके। आज जो पीक डे है तो आज मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पालन कराया जाना संभव नहीं, किंतु अपनी ओर से पुलिस ने बेस्ट एफर्ट्स किए हैं।
The Kumbh Mela, the biggest gathering ever in human history, records over millions of people attending it every year. But with the increasing COVID cases in India and the high possibility of disease transmission during the festival, has the government declared the Kumbh Mela as a super spreader event? Well, not really. So let's clarify. The Kumbh Mela being a super spreader isn't false, but a report stating that the government claims that the Kumbh Mela is a super spreader is false. An India Today article said that the government warned that the Kumbh Mela was becoming a super spreader event of COVID-19. This was then clarified by the Ministry of Health and Welfare, as they called out the report as incorrect and fake on Twitter. So what is a super spreader event? It is an event where an infected individual can transmit the disease to a large number of people. Some examples of super spreader events are weddings, workplaces, schools, religious ceremonies, mall gatherings, even family gatherings. In fact, a report suggested that the huge number of cases in India is due to super spreader events. So what other gatherings were considered as super spreader events in India? The Takht Sahib gathering, where 26 of 3,500 tested positive, and the Tabligi Jamaat, where 12,000 people tested positive. So is the Kumbh Mela a super spreader event? On 16th and 17th of March this year, a high-level central team led by the director of the NCDC visited Uttarakhand to evaluate the state's medical and public health preparedness measures for the Kumbh Mela. And here's what the central team reported. 10 to 20 pilgrims and 10 to 20 locals were reported positive every day, concluding that it could spiral out of control if no measures were taken. So why is the Kumbh Mela not considered a super spreader event? Well, the Ministry of Health and Welfare wrote to the Secretary of State of Uttarakhand, calling for strict measures and issues an SOP specifically for this event. As per the SOP, all the pilgrims visiting should have a COVID negative test report, all staff should be vaccinated, and social distancing has to be maintained. And even though it makes sense for an event like this to have its own SOP, videos like this popped up, which clearly show a large group of people violating the social distancing rule. And the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand making statements like these, which state faith in God will overcome the fear of the virus, does not help the situation either. With COVID cases back to almost 2020 levels, do you think super spreader events should be controlled? Let us know in the comment section below. Hey, thanks for watching Logically India. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We make fact-checking episodes every week. So if there's anything you want us to fact-check, let us know in the comment section below. Or download the Logically app for quick fact-checking services. This is Team Logically, signing out.